Okay, sorry, I was interrupted again. This is part 3. So we have part 3. All right, so we were subtracting here, and we were showing that I could put 28 as positive and 17 as negative. The winner will be positive, and I have to find out how much did they beat them by. I'm still going to have to subtract. So 8 minus 7 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and you see how you'll get the same answer. It's positive 11, okay? So when it's subtracting like this, you can just go ahead and subtract, but it's a good idea to double check with your scoreboard. And so that means that she can put anything that's less than or equal to 11. So if she puts 11 candies in there, that'll be 28, right? If she puts anything less than 11, like say 10, that would work. 9, that would work. But what if she puts 12? That won't work. So it has to be anything that's 11 or less. That's what that means right there. That's the solution, or the inequality, right? It's asking for the inequality of the solution. What value of x makes this equation true? That sounds like a little bit complex. It's just saying, what's the answer? What does x equal? Okay, so if you see that, it's not anything fancy. It's just saying solve this equation. So it's negative 90 equals negative 20 plus x. You draw your line, cover the x. I see a negative 20. What's the opposite of that? Positive 20 on both sides. That's a 0 pair, and I have x equal. Now this is a negative and a positive, so it's a great idea to put your scoreboard. The 90 is negative, the 20 is positive. If this was a game, the negative team has the most points, so they're the winner, so the answer will be negative. And I know that 90 minus 20 is 70, right? So that would be negative 70. Don't forget the sign. That's really important. Okay? And then this is the same kind of problem, just a little bit more different numbers, right? But it's the same process, okay? Draw the line, okay? Cover the x. I have a negative, so I'm going to add, put a positive, however you want to look at it. That's a 0 pair, so I only have the x. And then I'm going to do the 345 is negative, the 180 is positive, negative is the winner. And so now I have to subtract these. So that's like, remember saying sign, add, and keep different signs, subtract, right? Oh, different time we're going to subtract to get the answer. So I have 3, 4, 5, 1, 8, 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Apart from that 3, now it's a 2. 14 minus 8 is 6. 2 minus 1, so it's negative 165. That is the answer, okay? All right, make sure that you are using all of these strategies when you are taking your test, and especially being able to write one of your own. The rest of them will be given to you. So if you just follow those steps, you should be fine. Good luck.